Did you know that your cat's whiskers are like a built-in GPS system? Cat face sparkles. Those long whiskers aren't just for looking cute. They are super sensitive sensors called whiskers, or vibrissae. A cat uses its whiskers to measure spaces and figure out if it can fit through a gap. Door paw. The whiskers can also detect tiny changes in air movement, helping cats sense nearby objects, even in complete darkness. Crescent moon. That's why cats can walk around at night without bumping into things. If a cat's whiskers are damaged or cut, it can become confused and have trouble navigating. So, the next time you see your cat's whiskers twitching, remember, it's using its very own natural GPS. Cat face compass. Follow for more amazing animal facts. Like, share and subscribe.